guys, Brian with SoCo Customs, and today we have a frequent flyer here in our shop. We built a few trucks for this gentleman, but he decided to run out, get him a little retirement gift from the military. So he bought himself a 2024 GMC Sierra 3500 Ultimate. This is a long bed and single rear wheel. Usually when we're lifting these trucks, they're going to be short beds, so this one's very unique to us. We started off by sending it up 5 inches on the Zone Off-Road lift kit. We did upgrade this with the Fox shocks. We also upgraded it with the Adventure Series upper control arms. These upper control arms will really smooth out the ride. And this full 5-inch kit has become one of our favorites on these post-2020 generation heavy-duty trucks. Now the wheels are going to be a 22x10. They are the Gear Off-Road Lumen. They're a -18 offset and definitely get a nice stance outside of the fender without being too much for a lot of these gentlemen that are daily driving these trucks. The tires are going to be the 37-12-50 Kenda Klever RTs. Again, another one of our favorite tires out here. They do have the aggressive looks, but they're great for a daily driver, great in snow. And then of course we put a full-size spare in the bed. We use the n-fab bed-mounted spare tire carrier. You can see the ratchet strap really gives it some pre-runner vibes. I definitely love the look, and it'll definitely come in handy as soon as he runs into trouble out on the trails somewhere. But that's all we got for you today. Brian, SoCo Customs, give this video a thumbs up, give us a subscribe, give us a follow, and we're gonna see you in the next video.